Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And you're going to find timeline down in the description of that video. So, shows the time frame depending your trading style. But my advice to you is to watch the video from the start till the end to know exactly where is the Bitcoin going. But it's up to you. So, let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, yes, you, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, my friend. Just a red button down, click at it next to it, a bell, turn it to all so like that when we put in a new video, going to be notified. Or you can even join us in our Telegram channel. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment, because in Telegram you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family. So let's start our lesson of today. As you see here, at the daily candle here, it's finished today. The market it fall down till here, till 50% of that candle, but it go back up today. And the market give us here something today. Look at it here. Look with me here. Now us here we got an inside bar. If you see the green candle here, that one me I'm using. Now us we stay inside the range of that inside bar. And now we need to break either up or either down for us to know the market it will reverse. Till now the market is staying sideways here. There is nowhere to go, and the picture is very simple here. Market is not going to nowhere, and that's what I told you. And someone he told me the market is going to go to 15k. I told them unless if there is a collapse, like exchange happen like how it happened, the collapse of FTX, that's why you're going to see the Bitcoin going to 15k. But now it will never go back to 15k. If you miss the chance to buy from 15k, it will never go back there. That's it. That's how the market is working. But let's wait in the coming days what they are going to bring for us. And us here, we still have here that flag like that. I show it to you in the previous videos. But till now we haven't breaking up and we haven't breaking down here. I'm talking just about the daily. So here in the daily we're still in an uptrend and we need to wait more. Plus here in the daily, look with me here what we got. If you look in here, the 50 moving average, it crossed above the 200 moving average. 200, yes, not yet started moving up. But I mean it's staying flat here. And that's what the market, even the market is showing to us, the market is still flat. But the 50 moving average, look at it. Also, we are very close to touch it here. And me personally, I think we are going to touch it. Maybe we're going to go up or maybe we're going to break it down. Then we're going to go till here, the 200 moving average. And after that, maybe the market is going to reverse. Even that one is possible. But me personally, I don't think so. That is going to happen because if you remember last Friday, because today by night we're going to make for you a video analyzing for you the option. If you remember we said the Bitcoin is going to stay here between the two levels last Friday, and that's what happened exactly as you see it. Till now the Bitcoin is staying sideways here. There is nowhere to go. So those people, they put in here the calls of them and down here the pots of them. All of them they are going to collect in premium. That's what me have been telling you. And here in the daily, if you remember, we used to have here that megaphone. It's getting broke here. It go back, it tested here. Now it's going up. Now the market showing as if there is here a resistance. Let's wait now if it's going to break the last high here. Because that last high here is very powerful. And people they've been with us, they remember all those things. They remember when I told you when we used to be down here in that level here, when we are here at 15k, because me I buy from 15k. I told you we got here a very well-known wake-up pattern. If that's happening and we came back and we're breaking up here and we do it like that and we're breaking the last high, 100% that one is the last bottom. Or here is the bottom of the Bitcoin and the bull run start. Till now it's showing us we staying stuck here. We couldn't break that level here as you see it. That one here, very powerful level as you see it. Till now we couldn't break it, but if we break it in the coming days we are going to go up. The next one is it at 30k. Next one is it at 30k, and I'm going to show it to you. Look with me here. That way me I told you the next one when we're breaking that one is it here at 30k. Because if you remember here, that one here, it used to be a very stronger level here. Now, if we break in here, that level here, we are going to go to 30k. Then at 30k, we're going to see if we are going to go more higher or no. And here in the daily, if you remember, people, they've been with us for some time now, they remember those things. But you, if you just came now, we used to say here, used to have here like that, a downtrend like that, or a down wage like that. That wage is getting broke here in that level here. Now, also we are in the top of it. The take profit for that one is at here at the last high, which is here at 70k here. So I think the bull run it started. All that things you see and now it just resting. But the last, if we break in that last high here, we're going to go to 70k. Here now there is nothing telling us the market is going to stop from that. I think picture is too clear here. Now let's going to see the coming news for today. Pictures get more clear to you, so let's go in there. That's the coming news for today, as you see it. By the way, before I analyze for you the news here, I got one article I need to analyze it for you. Let me show it to you. Is it that one? As you see it. Today, another person from the Fed or the Atlanta Federal Reserve President Rafael Bostic, he said they are going to return aggressive Fed rate increase, and he said the pause is going to be till the summer. That means the Fed it want to go back aggressive hiking interest rate, and the pause is going to be till the summer. Summer is going to start at month 6 or June. So from here till the summer, that means the Fed is going to increase interest rate more. But how much? That's the problem here. And the interest rate in America, it's near to 5%. That means them they are going to pass that ceiling of 5%. That's another story. But he gave us now a clear picture. The Fed is going to pause till the summer, but over here is a big problem. But that for stock, for Bitcoin is another story, because Bitcoin, the halving cycle is coming, and the halving cycle is about supply and demand. That means the supply it will get reduced and the demand it will get more higher. So anyone who holding Bitcoin is going to worth more money. That's normal, because if there is 5 Bitcoin circulating in the market and there is 5 people, every one of them he buying one, that's it. But if you take it off 2.5 and still only 2.5, the price of that Bitcoin is going to get more higher. Same thing here is going to happen here in the halving cycle. So you need to be focused about those things I'm telling you. And here, that's the news which is coming today. As you see it, we got only that one, the ISM non-manufacturing of USA. That one, it doesn't got a big impact to the market, but you need to make a close eye at it, what it's going to tell us. And here, our friend, the table of us, what's it telling us here? Look at it. Look here today. All US stocks today, they close the day green. By the way, the people in my Telegram channel, I tell them to buy the SP500 because it's bouncing from the 200 moving average in the daily and give us a very nice pin bar there. That's why I told them to buy. And as you see it, we close green day, because what happened, as I told you, that Atlanta Federal Reserve, what he said. And even here, the SP, as you see it, is closed the day green, the Nasdaq green. And here, our friend, the one we're looking at it every day, is the VIX. Today, it's filed down below 20. We are 1959. Even that one, it gives us a good sign. But me, as I tell it to you, if you are a long-term trader, just they say, forget about all those things. You are in a very nice discount level. Try to buy slowly, Don't know where is the Bitcoin it will go in the future. I think picture is too clear here. Now it's going back to the 4 hours to see what is it there for pictures to get more clear to you. So it's going there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Here in the 4 hours, people they've been with us. They remember those things. Just in the last video and 2 videos before, me enter from here. Exactly from here, I enter long. Then in the last 2 videos, we make one like that. When it's getting broke here, I told you to enter. Then I told you another one. People, they haven't entered. They got another chance here to enter if they break here. But there is no break, as you see it. It came here. Now it's showing as if we stay in here. And now here, the Bitcoin here in the 4 hours, it gave us here another price action. Look at it, what it gave us here. If you're looking with me here and here, the Bitcoin, it gave us here a flag or an inverted flag. That one, if it's getting broke down here, that means the Bitcoin is going to fall down more. And if it's breaking down here, we bring in that line here and we will put it like that. That's why the Bitcoin, it will falling down till down here. Let me show it to you. As I told you, we got now an inverted flag like that. Like that, you see it, how I draw it, like that. Now, you bring in that line here and you put it here. But till now, we haven't breaking down. So if we're breaking down here in that level, the Bitcoin, it will go down till here, till that level here. That last low here. That's possible because till now it's showing we're staying sideways here. Me, as I told you personally, me I enter long from here from that candle here, from here, and I put stop loss down here. It went up till here, I've been in profit, then it went down till now. I'm still holding my position, and I told you in the last other videos, I told you like that we got another wage here. Even that wage here is getting broke. Look at it, it went up, now it touches here, but till now the Bitcoin is showing here a very stronger resistance here at that level here. There is no power to break in above again, and that's something very bad. That man, no one want to buy now and to push it more higher here. We're still waiting what's going to happen in the coming days. I think picture is too clear here. So now I give you two scenarios. If you haven't entered long, look with me how I'm going to done it like that. If it came and breaking above here in the trend line, you can enter long. For short now, don't need to wait in that one. For the short, you need to make like that. Look with me how I'm connecting those dots. And you draw in here a flag like that or a channel. And you wait it. If it came down and breaking down here, you enter short, stop loss of you, put it in the top here. Take profit, you bring in that line here and you put it down here. And if it's breaking down, it's going to go till down here, till that level here. Everything is too clear, guys? Now let's go into our indicators, what they're saying today. So let's go in there. Our indicator, as you see it, it came back here to that level here, but there is no power to break again. And that's what I tell it to you in the last Friday. I told you the market is going to stay sideways, and that's what it's showing. Till now, we haven't breaking that level here. So there is no power to break up. Until now, there is no one controlling, no bulls, no bears. That means both of them, they are equal here. No one of them take control for the market. That's why I told you need to wait more till you get a clear picture. Yeah, enter long and the pot stop loss. If we are fair enough, if it's hitting for me the stop loss, even that one is a part of the game. I think picture is too clear here. Now let's go into see our other indicator what it's saying. Let's go in there. That one here, it's being here at the oversold area. That's why I enter long level. We're being in a very stronger level here. Look at it. Even if you came back here, you see it how I bring it from here and here. It touches here. I've been looking for buy. Then you used to have here that price action here. That one here. I enter long me from here. I put stop loss down here. And I told you in the last two videos, you can even make like that. You still have here a wage like that. Even that one, if it came and breaking up here, you can enter long because our indicator is coming from oversold area. But now it gives us here that flag here. And that one is a continuation pattern because that one, if it came and breaking lower here, the Bitcoin is going to fall down till down here, till that level here. As you see it, how I draw it from that last low here. Then if it's breaking down here, you enter short and you put stop loss. Before it's hitting for you the stop loss here, you're going to be entering short. So when you're going to be out, you're going to be in profit. And down here, you back all your losses because like that's how you need to learn to trade. But if it went up and breaking up here, it go up and breaking up here, you can enter long. I'm talking here about the people they haven't entered. People they enter with me from down here. Now also we are in profit actually, not that much, but we are not losing nothing, and we're still holding our position. Stop loss of us, we put it down here. So we still wait in the coming days what is going to happen. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what the Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, the last video what I told you. We came, we make it like that, and we do it like that. The last video, you can just find it in the channel. I told you we got here a wage. If I get in broke here, you enter long. If it getting broke here down, you enter short. Where did it get broke? Look at it, get broke down here. So over here, we'll have you enter short, tail down here. And me, I told you in that last video, it will not go that much. It will go just tail down here. It doesn't went even tail there. It went just tail here as you see it. Now here. And now what we got here. The 200 moving average here is telling us the market is very, very flat. There is nowhere to go as you see it here. And now look at it what it gives us here again. We got here like a small channel like that as you see it. But for you to enter long or short, you make it like that. As you see it, you got here a symmetric triangle. That one, if it's getting broke up here, you can enter long. If it fall down and break lower here, you can enter short because you don't know when the volume is going to come and the volatility came to the market. Now the market is very flat here. There is nowhere to go. But as I show you now, you got here that price action. Look at it, how I draw it. You came to that last low here and that one here. And you connecting them. And in the top, you came to that one and that one and that one here. And you connecting them together by just a line like that. And you wait in the break what is going to happen. If it happened the break here, you can enter long. If it happened the break down here, you can enter short. You enter long, you put stop loss down here. If you enter short, you put the stop loss down up here. I think picture is too clear here. Now let's see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, you got here a very clear divergence here. As you see it, if you came here to the chart, you got here a very clear divergence here. Let me show it to you. If you see here the one here compared to the one here and the one here compared to the one here, it's a very clear divergence here. And our indicator is coming from down from oversold area. So you drawing in your chart that price action I just show you like that, and you waiting the break where it's going to happen up or down. That's it. Like that you're going to make money. Again, I'm going to show you that price action. Look at it. You came here to the one and the one like that, and you waiting the break where it's going to happen. If it happen up here, you enter long. If it fall down and break a lower here, you enter short. I think picture is very clear and very simple. So that's it for that video, and please don't forget to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. See you in another video. Bye for now, guys.